Good morning, guys. How are you today? Today's lesson is Model Perimeter, lesson number 11.1, page 453. Okay, guys, today we're gonna talk about perimeter. What is the meaning of perimeter? The perimeter is the distance around the figure. The distance around the figure. Like if I have square here and I want to find the perimeters, so I have to calculate the distance around it. Okay guys, here he's telling me that I can find the perimeter of a rectangle on a board or a dot paper by counting the number of units on each side. Okay, how I'm gonna do it? Let's see. Actually, it's very fun and it's like a game or drawing, guys. So here he wants me to make a rectangle on the board that is 3 units on two sides and 2 units on the other two sides. If you think of the rectangle, we have 4 sides in the rectangle. He wants me to make 3 units of two of them and 2 units of the other two sides. Let's start by 3 units. Okay guys, the distance between two dots consider as a unit. So I have 1 unit, 2 unit, and 3 units. Okay, so 3, then 2. Why I'm not gonna draw another 3 here? Because it's not gonna be a rectangle, guys. Rectangle, each two opposite sides are equal in length. So I have to say 3, then 2. 1, 2, then 3. 1, 2, 3, then 2. So 3, 2, 3, 2. And I have to write the number of units next to each side. Okay, how I'm gonna find the perimeter? Okay guys, I'm gonna tell you a story. Since we are at home and we can't go anywhere and we can't travel, so let's think about the perimeter. It's like a man, okay, having a trip. The perimeter is a man having a trip. The starting point is the ending point. So I'm gonna start from here and I'm gonna also end here. If I want to calculate the perimeter, so I'm gonna calculate the numbers. The first number that I will face is 3, so I'm gonna write it and I will cross it. The second number that I have here is 2, so I'm gonna write it and cross it. The third number is 3, so I'm gonna write it and cross it. And the fourth number is 2, so I'm gonna write it and cross it. Then I will add all of them. So I'm gonna say 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 equals 5. 5 plus 3 equals 8. 8 plus 2 equals 10. So the perimeter of the rectangle is 10 units. Now, how would the perimeter of the rectangle change if the length of two of the sides was 4 units instead of 3? Okay, guys, we said that it's 3 and 2. No, now we are saying it's 4 and 2. So I'm gonna say 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. So it's 12 units. So what will happen? The perimeter will would increase. So I'm gonna say the perimeter would increase by 2 units. By 2 units. Why, guys? Because I had here it was 10 units and now it's 12, so it increased by 2 units. Now let's move on to the next page. Describe in number 1 how you would find the perimeter of a rectangle that is 5 units wide and 6 units long. So let's draw it here by hand, guys. It's 5 wide and 6 long. Okay, guys, we said that each two opposite sides are equal. So 5, 6, 5, 6. And I want you to calculate the perimeter. The perimeter is the man having a trip. The starting point is the ending point. So I'm going to say 5 plus 6 plus 5 plus 6. Okay, equals 5 plus 6 equals 11, 11 plus 5 equals 16, 16 plus 6 equals 22. So it's 22 units. Now number 3. Jill says that finding the perimeter of the figure with all sides of equal length is easier than finding the perimeter of other figures. Yes. Do you agree? Yes, I agree. Why, guys? Let's imagine that I have triangle and I have all sides are equal. Each side is 3, 3, 3. So instead of saying, let's say not 3, okay, let's make it 4. 4, 4. So instead of saying 4 plus 4 plus 4, I can say 4 times 3, right? If all of them are equal, so I'm gonna multiply instead of adding. So do you agree? Yes, because I can multiply. Sorry guys. Can multiply instead of adding. And here, guys, he's saying that I can use the grading sheet that I have here to find the perimeter. Yes, of course I can. How? Perimeter is the man having a trip. The starting point is the ending point. So here is my starting point. Let's count how many units that we have. How I'm gonna do it like this. 1, okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. It's 16 units. Guys, I'm gonna count the squares. Okay, so I'm gonna draw like half circle between each starting and ending of each square. Okay, like here, guys, here's my starting point. Look, guys, 1, 2, 3. Look, guys, it's a corner. 4, 5, another corner. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So it's the perimeter is 14 units.